Hello and welcome back to Around the Penny. The market is closed and the numbers are in, which only means one thing. It's time for a walk around the penny, of course. We open the show with a review of the market's bulls, starting with Alto Group Holdings, symbol ALTO. Yesterday, the company announced an approval for an extension in their mines in Bali, West Africa. After a mediocre day yesterday, the company really came to play today, rising over 15% on almost 39 million shares. It's been tough sledding for Alto Group this year. As you see in the chart, 2011 has not been very kind to the company. They are current on all their financials and have acquired ownership in many projects so far this year, but their stock has been suffering, as you can tell from that downward slope of a chart they have. Let's move on to Skybridge Technology Group, symbol SKGO. They issued a press release before the market closed yesterday, announcing a merger with Texstraw International. The company makes Texstraw, which is synthetic pine straw made from recycled polypropylene. After a big rally to start the day, the equity settled with a rally of almost 15% on over 309 million shares. Shareholders were quite optimistic to see the stock hit 0.0009, but will still settle for today's rally. It will be interesting to see if SKGO can keep up with traders' expectations in tomorrow's trading session. We now focus on a few of the market's bears, and first up is Seaway Valley Capital Corporation, symbol SEVA. The investment company had a tough day in the message boards as well as in the market. They ended the day down over 28% on almost 20 million shares. The company issued a press release earlier today with some updates on their debt reduction plan. Traders felt this PR was nothing but a big joke. Seaway was hoping to get some solid action from investors, but veteran traders sniffed out the pump and didn't fall for the bait. Let's take a look at Allied Security Innovation, symbol ADSV. The company develops and installs tamper-proof computer systems that are used to record images and videos. It was an unfortunate day for the company as the equity ended the day down 39% on 58 million shares. If you look at their 3-month chart, they have experienced a string of rallies in the past few days, including a 70% gain yesterday. This marked a 52-week high and closing price for the company. Chat rooms were excited about Monogram Energy, symbol MGRN. The company had news out today about its wholly owned subsidiary, Astrolabe Technology. Their wireless IPTV service will be available at the end of this year. They've signed a joint venture agreement with the owner of a license to transmit in South America. The stock bounced all day between its opening price of 0.0002 and its low of 0.0001. Overall, it stayed flat on just over 125 million shares, closing the day at 0.0002. Another stock of interest was Hall of Fame Beverages, symbol HFBG. The company was under the hot seat earlier this year when its Grandmama Sweet Southern Tea was said to sign a distribution deal and went nowhere. A press release yesterday announced a new distribution deal, and this one seems to be legit. Negotiations have been completed, and Grandmama's Sweet Tea is set to debut at the Haddon House Spring Show in May. Word on the street is that Grandmama herself will be in attendance. Her tea may be sweet, but her stock went kind of sour today. It opened at 0.0001 and stayed there all day on over 90 million shares. Come on, Grandma. The quote of the day comes courtesy of Makin' Money, who said, "I need green cake if you know what I mean. Don't drop that." Well, you know the rest. 2 newsletters were pumping Shamika 2 Gold, symbol SHMS. The junior gold company hasn't had any news since last month. At that time, they added a member to their board of directors, but apparently 2 pumpers thought they were a solid bet today. And they were wrong. The stock opened at 31 cents and fell over 10% on 852,000 shares, closing at 26 cents. This gold company definitely lost some shine today. That's gotta hurt. It's time for a serious BS call out. How about Dot One Web Incorporated, symbol DTWB, soaring 19,000% today on a volume of only 5,000. What's up with that? The company has no business description, no news ever, and has the OTC stop sign for no info. For such an outstanding rally for no reason, you guys get our BS trophy of the day. Now go get your shine box. That's going to do it for our show today. Thanks for watching. Remember to visit our homepage, simplypennies.com, for more penny stock highlights. We're also on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter for all your social networking convenience. For Around the Penny, I'm Stephanie. Bye. Definitely lost some shine today. That's gotta hurt. Ow! Just use that. Just use that for my blooper. That's better than I don't know what I said, but it was really bad.